U MLA ka Mylliem ba Ronnie Vilingdo ulara ahing dorbar Halor ka Jingpyntrei ka Surok Shillong Dawki ka balasya akta na ka jinglang ka hakithan apa Shillong. Hakajuk kapor ula kenturu ka Khuborjylla ban pen baknang bakipat ba kinom kendu jing na ka daw ka jingdu lut ki Surok Shnong. Haba jubab ya kani Menteri Ketenat PHE Marcus Marak ula pentip ba Halor ka jinglat ka na ki pipe hakite ki jaka ladab ban penben. Kat ba na kaliang usembut Menteri Rang ba Khuborjylla ba preston pan ula pentip ba na kabenta ki Surok Shnong ki ba syakta na ka jingshna ya kani ka Surok ula dab banyak keren bat ka NEHU.
Okay, now we move on to next question. Question number 2 raised by Ronnie Vilingdo. Sri Marcus Marak, Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Sir, answer to question number 2. A, yes, sir. B, sir, the steps have already been taken to address the pipeline leakages and the issues sorted out as follows. The leakage near Shillong Junction has been plugged. The leakage at Tea Garden has been plugged. The leakage before Shillong Peak Junction has been plugged.
Yes, please. Your supplementary questions.
Yes, I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for addressing these issues because, sir, for some months, works was delayed there because when I asked people implementing the project, they said because of the water leakages. So I'd like to thank the Honourable Minister for taking, immediate steps, and now the work is progressing. So another suggestion, of course, not related to PHE, but then maybe I'd request the Deputy Chief Minister or the government to take this up a lot because of the alignments or the gradient. Some of the villages, the gradient, they have lowered so much that approach to these approach to these villages, for example, in a 4th mile, 4.5 mile, 5th mile, people are not able to come out because, of the lowered the gradient. So the appeal to the minister, the Deputy Chief Minister in charge, PWD, to take up with the NHIDCL to ensure that approaches to these villages are looked into so that people are not put into.
So what is your question?
Question is, sir, if I can ask the Deputy Chief Minister in charge roads to take up with NHIDCL to ensure that approaches to these villages are constructed to ease the movement of these people residing in these villages, sir.